Bridge Course, Standard 10th, Science. This human nervous system is further divided into three parts. First one is CNS, second one is PNS, and third one is ANS. Let us see them in detail. Central Nervous System, CNS. The central nervous system include the brain and spinal cord, while peripheral nervous system, that is PNS, include all of the nerves that branches out from the brain and spinal cord and extend to other parts of the body, including muscles and organs. Each part of the system plays a vital role in how information is communicated throughout the body. यामध्ये आपल्याला CNS, दॅट इज सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम, यामध्ये व्हायटल पार्ट कोणाकोणाचा आहे, ब्रेन आणि स्पायनल कॉर्ड, हे दोघं CNS मध्ये काम करतात. सो नाव लेट अस सी व्हॉट एक्झॅक्टली हॅपन इन CNS. The brain is main controlling part of nervous system and is safely located in the cranial cavity, whereas spinal cord is protected by the vertebral column. म्हणजे वर्टिबल कॉलमच्या मध्ये हा स्पायनल कॉर्ड एकदम व्यवस्थित प्रोटेक्टेड असतो. इट इज सेफली लोकेटेड देअर in the space between delicate central nervous system and its bony covering are the protective layers of mening. Cavity present in various parts of the brain are called as ventricle, whereas long tubular cavity in spinal cord is called as central canal. The brain of an adult human weighs about 1300 to 1400 grams and consists approximately 100 billion neurons. म्हणजे यामध्ये 100 billion neurons present असतात. Let us see what are the parts of brain. Cerebrum. This is the largest part of our brain. It consists of two central hemispheres. The hemispheres are joined with each other with the help of tough fiber and nerve track. Its surface has deep, irregular, rigid and grooves which are called as convolution. Convolution increase the surface area of cerebrum, and therefore the large number of nerves cell can be accumulated here. This is also called, this cerebrum is also called as large brain. Cerebellum. This is the small part of the brain situated below the cerebrum at the back of the cranial cavity. Its surface show shallow grooves instead of deep convolution, just like cerebrum. Medulla oblongata. This is hindmost part of the brain. There are two triangular swollen structure called pyramids on the upper side of medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata continue downwards as the spinal cord. Spinal cord is a part of central nervous system and it is held within the vertebral column. It is slightly thick but gradually tapering towards the end. There is the thread-like fibrous structure at its end. This is called as filus terminale. Conduction of impulse from skin towards brain. Second, conduction of impulse from brain towards muscle or glands. And third, functions as center of coordination of reflex action. Peripheral nervous system, PNS. Peripheral nervous system consists of nerves originated from the central nervous system. म्हणजे सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टममधून जे काही नर्व्स निघालेले असतात ते हे पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम बनवतात. दीज कनेक्ट द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम विथ ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी. They are of two types, cranial nerve and spinal nerve. Cranial nerve originated from the brain are called cranial nerve. They are associated with various parts in the head, thorax and abdomen. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerve. Spinal nerve. These nerves originating from the spinal cord are called spinal nerve. These are associated with arms, legs, skin and some other parts of the body. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerves.
Now let us see function of brain. The brain is divided into two parts again, left brain and right brain. Both side of the brain have different function. Let us see what is their exact function. The left brain is helping us for analytical thinking, logical thinking, languages, science and mathematics. So left brain is very important for us.
Not only left but right brain is also important for us. Here are the functions of right brain. Right brain help us in holistic thinking, intuitions, creativity, arts and music. If you want to master in any of them, your right brain will definitely help you. And if you want to master in science or maths, then your left brain will help you in that to master these subjects. Now let us study this chart. Here they have given parts of brain and their function. Cerebrum. Cerebrum helps in control of voluntary movements. Voluntary movements म्हणजे जे आपल्या हातात असतात. आपल्याला वाटतंय आपल्याला डोळे बंद करायचे आहेत, बंद शांत पडायचे पडू शकतात. आपल्याला वाटतंय आपल्याला बोलायचं नाही आहे, आपण शांत बसू शकतो. पण इनव्हॉलेंटरी म्हणजे असे वर्क, असे फंक्शन जे आपल्या विशमध्ये नसतात, आपल्या हातात नसतात. मला वाटलं की माझा हार्ट आज 10 मिनटं बंद पडावं तर असं होत नाही. कंटिन्यू हार्ट चालू असतं. किडनीने 1-2 तास आराम करावा असं आपण म्हटलं तर असं होत नाही. किडनी कंटिन्यू काम करत असते. मग यांचे ज्या काही मुवमेंट्स असतात या मुवमेंट्स इनव्हॉलेंटरी असतात. पण सेरिब्रमचं काम आहे हे फक्त व्हॉलेंटरी मुवमेंट्स कंट्रोल करतं. अँड देन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन. तुम्हाला कुठल्याही गोष्टीचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन अभ्यासामध्ये पाहिजे नसेल तर तुमचं सेरिब्रम तुम्हाला हेल्प करत असतं. प्लॅनिंग, डिसिजन मेकिंग, मेमरी, इंटेलिजन्स and intellectual activities, all these are controlled by cerebrum. Now let us go to cerebellum. Cerebellum helps us in coordinating of voluntary movements, maintaining the body balance. Medulla oblongata is the part which controls the involuntary activities like beating of heart, blood circulation, breathing, sneezing, coughing, salivation, etc. So these are the important function of medulla oblongata. Now let us go to spinal cord. Spinal cord, the functions are conduction of impulse from the skin towards the brain. Then कंडक्शन ऑफ इम्पल्स म्हणजे आपल्या शरीरावर कुठल्याही इजा होत असतील तर ब्रेनपर्यंत तो निरोप देण्याचं काम कोण करतं तर स्पायनल कॉर्ड करतं. फ्रॉम ब्रेन टू द मसल अँड ग्लँड्स. पुन्हा ब्रेनकडून आपल्याला काय मेसेज येतो ते स्पायनल कॉर्ड आपल्याला मेसेज देतो. अँड द लास्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन ऑफ रिफ्लेक्स ॲक्शन. जर तुमच्या बोटाला चटका बसत असेल तर तुमचं बोट तुम्ही बाजूला पटकन करून घ्यावं, हे मेसेज आपल्याला स्पायनल कॉर्डमुळे मिळतो. हिअर आर ॲक्टिव्हिटीज फॉर यू. PDF will be sent to you. Just try to find it out your answers from your textbook and write down your answers. Find out and write the parts of the brain and its functions from the following diagram. Diagram पहा आणि उत्तर लिहा. Complete the following chart. Tick mark their boxes in the chart where the human brain right and or left part is functioning. जिथं राईट फंक्शनिंग होत आहे तिथं टिक करायचं आहे तुम्हाला. ऑब्झर्व द मॉडेल ऑफ ह्युमन ब्रेन इन युअर सायन्स लॅब विथ द हेल्प ऑफ सायन्स टीचर. ट्राय टू गेट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट ब्रेन अँड राईट इट इन द practical book. You are supposed to find out the extra function of brain and try to write it down in your notebook. That's all.